Alright, I'm about to fix this window that's off the track. Let's do this. Which one? This fucking door? It should do pop loose like a toy. Try not to break shit, that's for sure. Alright, there's the other snap right there. There we go. Damn. Yeah. Yeah, I recharging mine from my car.
I got the big battery for the big speaker, and then I got the little one for the little speaker. I'm turning up.
Nah, I already know.
Yeah, that shit be lit.
Alright, I think I got them all. I don't think there's no pops in there. That's that one. Let's see if we can pop this bitch loose.
Not too bad out there either.
Nah. Yeah, it's closer to the beach. Fucking Tustin was hot. I just messed around. I didn't really like go crazy skating or anything. Dude, you know how it is when your leg's tired. You already know what happens if you pushing it. You can fuck around and get smoked. Ain't trying to have that happen. Dude, they don't even feel tight. They're weak, which is the worst. You know, when you give your legs 100%, but they only go fucking 50 or 75. Yeah, that's the fucking problem. You know, I usually test it by ollieing over the cone. Cause like if I go put the cone far out and I try to pop over that bitch and I don't really go as far as you know I normally go, then I'm like, all right, my legs are weak. Gotta stay away from that bitch. Damn. Damn. Nah, my shit's still good. You going through boards left and right. That shit happens randomly to me. Either it happens like the first day or it just lasts for a while. You know what I mean? If that shit chips on the first day, then it's
no, because I literally was like, I took my board and really chipped on myself and swing that bitch to the ground. I was like, bro, I'm over this.
Yeah.
It's like you saying, my legs, and I was so tight that I jumped on the rail. I'm gonna say shit.
Yeah.
Thought I was bullshit.
Dude, I went back to fucking, what is that, Centennial?
Yeah.
Man, not Centennial, fucking Edison. Boy, I was getting smoked on that rail. Let me tell you. I was trying all types of shit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going back to 8-1.
You know what? I was thinking about going back to 8-1 too, because I can't really flip that well on the 825. It's too risky flipping in the rails, because sometimes it just don't flip fast enough. Like I like the 825 better, but like not if you're flipping into shit. Fuck that. Like if you're flipping into a rail, fuck that. Maybe these two screws are just loose and I could just... I think this is the rail for the track right here. I'm pretty sure this is the rail for the track. Sometimes you can just push this shit out the way. Oh yeah, you can only... If I can get the window to go down, I could probably get it back. Get it back slammed it hard and it popped out of this shit somehow.
Damn.
Luckily, this piece down here is like kind of separate.
So it's not that hard.
Well, yeah, exactly. So maybe that's the reason why the shit came loose, because it like that piece flexed and then it let it let it bounce out. Because usually this piece goes all the way up to the top, so it's just like one piece. Toyota knows best though, so probably did this shit for a reason. And they know everything. Let's see. Alright, that's how your shit was moving before, right? Damn, big easy fix. Cool, at least you didn't have to spend no money. Well, I swear you're gonna have to spend some money. As soon as I... Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Easier for me to be like, yeah, I got you. I get the weed, boy.
Huh.
I was like, screw my homie who worked at Toyota before he went back home.
Yeah.
All my oil changes, charge me $25 and just fix my car.
Hell yeah.
And I would just give him a fun, like, that's when I was on Vulcan for real, and I would get boxes of clothes and shit. Like, she was like, oh yeah, I'll take, because that's like, you know, clothes and shit cost so much money. So I gave about, like, when I worked there, before I got broke 15, I was getting like 15 pairs of pants.
Damn.
Clothes to cheese.
Should have called me up. I know.
That was like the first time. That was like when I first met you. When, you know, I had the Vulcan key and all that.
Yeah. Shit, because I gotta, like, if a regular customer from Yo called me, I'm just gonna pull up and do the same exact shit. And I tell them too sometimes, like, hey, it might not even be anything wrong. Maybe some shit just came apart.
Yeah.
So even though I'm quoting you for like a regulator and all this shit, like I told you, like we're already knowing that the part's probably gonna be 100, 150.
I was like, nah, I ain't even do all that. I just smacked that motherfucker and I got back in my car. I was like, hey, wait a minute, this ain't right.
Yeah, I haven't smoked since 420. Yeah, but they forced me at the park and they're like, it's 420, you gotta at least skate. I mean, you gotta at least smoke. They ain't give a fuck about skating. Alex and them, they're just like, nah, you gotta smoke for sure. I'm like, all right, might as well. And then those fools gonna talk about, oh look, he took a real hit. I'm like, who do you think I was gonna fucking sit here and take a half hit? Shit, if I'm smoking, I'm smoking. Yeah. Yeah, don't pass that bitch to me. I hit that shit 6-7 times before I pass that motherfucker. Make sure. Yeah, I was hitting that shit hard. That shit was almost running.
I know that was.
Yeah, exactly. That's how I was hitting that shit. And then if they could take too long to grab it, I was just hitting it a couple extra times right before I pass it. There has been times where you put all these screws and shit back,
Shit go wrong.
and as soon as you fucking roll it up and down, the whole shit just fall apart. And you're like, what the fuck? I don't think that's gonna happen because the way this shit came off, it didn't really come off like that. You know what I mean? It just came out of the track.
Out of the track. Whole window would have fell out of that motherfucker.
That's why I was like, yeah, usually that don't fucking happen. But yeah, you're right. When you said it was going up and down still, I was like, usually that don't fucking.
That don't happen.
Yeah.
That's why when you told me that, I was like, oh no, I ain't do that much damage.
Yeah, because usually when the regulator break, you can hear the motor, but it's not like, moving up and down. Yeah, exactly.
I know. I've heard cars like that.
Yeah.
You tried again.
Yeah. Nah, we good. Uh-oh, that molding coming up though.
No, it's just that shit already.
You see? That molding in the back? It was already doing that?
Oh no, it wasn't.
Yeah, you ripped it up too hard. You're gonna have to put some super glue on that bitch, you know what I'm saying? it's good. I mean, you could put some glue on this shit, and then it will stay down. You probably only have to put glue on this edge.
Yeah.
See how it's just coming out easily? So just put a bunch of glue right here and just snap it in, and then don't fuck with it. Bam, good.
Boy.
That's the end of this video. Woo.